Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun layered spring card for you. This is my Happy Spring layered card. Isn't that just so cute? I love all the different colors, all the different layers there really just add some nice dimension. It's just really springy. On the inside there is a spot for your message, and of course I include an envelope as well. This card is super simple to put together and I cannot wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG Cut File. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you are not a member of the Crafters Club, you can go ahead and click the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page that lays out all of our different membership types. We have free, monthly, and annual memberships. You can go ahead and select which option is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click the sign in button. I'll go ahead and type in all of my credentials and hit login. And now we're logged into our account. To access the file library, you can head to the Files tab and click File Library. And then you're brought to all the files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 163. That is the Happy Spring layered card. Go ahead and click the download button and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can go ahead and open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we're in a new project in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and upload image, and browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click open, and upload. Highlight the image, and click add to canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the file has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. There are a few things that we need to convert. We need to convert the score line for the envelope and then the score line for the card base. So let's scroll down the layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score line. Come up to the operation menu and change that to score. Highlight the group and attach. And now we need to do that for the card base as well. Highlight the score line. Come up to the operation menu and change that to score. Highlight the group and attach. Once you have those two pieces converted, we can go ahead and click Make It. I'll be using the mats for this project. And you'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything's been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and just start layering together our front cover panel. Now I have a layering guide within the download that's going to help show you how to go ahead and layer all these things together. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit to put all this together, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. And there is our super fun, super colorful Happy Spring front cover panel. I love it. I'm going to go ahead and let that dry. Let's go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel together. Set that to the side. Get my tray out of the way. Let's go ahead and fold and burnish the card base. I'm going to open up the card and add that messaging panel to the inside of the card. Go ahead and close that up, and now we can just add our front cover panel to the front of the card. And there we have our fun Happy Spring card. I'm going to set that to the side to let everything completely dry. I'll go ahead and show you how to make the envelope really quick. We're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Go ahead and place the inlay panel on the cutout of the envelope. Spin the envelope around and fold those side flaps in. Add glue along the bottom edge of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up on the bottom flap and press. And then that forms our pretty little envelope. And our card is all set. Isn't this just so spring-like? I love the different colors. Like I said earlier, I love the different layers that add more dimension to the card. You can change up the flower colors if your recipient has a special flower or a certain color that he or she really likes. There's so many possibilities. If you make this card, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!